welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just joining us for the first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, welcome to your Hamster Telegram bot. Today I'm going to show you the cipher for today. Alright, and you open your bot to allow your bot to load. Alright, welcome back to your bot. Triple tap on this end bar tab. For today, the cipher today is DAPP, DAPP. For D, you don't press dot dot. For A, you dot long press. For P, you dot long press dot. For P again, you dot long press and dot. Alright, and then you mean your cipher for today. Code is cracked, you are a real detective. Alright, take your prize. Thank you for watching the video. Endeavor to please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel.